Discover the Albaladejo Collection. A collection born from the constant pursuit of excellence. Each pair represents a more refined expression of our craft, where carefully selected materials, precise patterns, and the hands of our artisans come together with one purpose: to create exceptional footwear. Hands, time, mastery, tradition. Leathers chosen for their beauty, character, and ability to age with elegance. Balanced silhouettes, designed to offer proportion, comfort, and a distinguished presence. Every cut, every stitch, and every finish reflects the dedication of those who devote their expertise to shoemaking without compromise. Handcrafted in Mallorca, following the principles of Goodyear construction, these models represent the purest expression of Carmina's way of understanding fine shoemaking. It is not only about how they look, it is about how they are made, the materials behind them, the time devoted to each process, and the respect for a craft that has defined our identity since 1866. By Albaladejo.